So now, viewers, our top focus this hour remains the Indian Council of Medical Research that has now recommended the use of the antigen detection test as a point of care diagnostic assay for, in fact, testing under certain settings in the combination with the RT-PCR test as well. This is an attempt by the ICMR to, in a way, ramp up the testing as well as identify people who might have antibodies or other kind of such symptoms of these virus as well. Those who test negative for COVID-19 by rapid antigen test should be definitely tested sequentially by the RT-PCR to rule out any sort of infection sign as well. In fact, whereas a positive test should be considered as a true positive and does not need confirmation by the RT-PCR test as well. We'll go across to Sumi, is also joining us live with more on this. So Sumi, this is a very important step taken in by the Indian Council of Medical Research that has now recommended the use of the antigen detection test as well. Please take us to the details of this latest update.
Absolutely, this is another step of ICMR to address the spread of COVID-19. In fact, antigen detection is something which is going to be very revolutionary when it comes to the detection of COVID-19 and in fixing it. As we can see, India has been battling with COVID-19 and has become the 9th worst affected country globally. And Delhi, if we talk about the national capital, Delhi has also been witnessing a sudden surge in cases after the outbreak since March. And Delhi yesterday also received more than 2,200 cases, and the death is also the death tally in fact is also reaching a new high, and which is why the ICMR has been ramping up its testing, has been coming up with new measures to contain this virus, because it's very important as of now to contain this particular virus, because the virus is going all across. And since Unlock 1.0 has been unlocked by the central government, these measures have become very important, because people are venturing out of their houses, people are coming out with less precautions, and people have absolutely forgotten the importance of social distancing and wearing basic masks, and also have forgotten their respiratory etiquettes also, which is why ICMR has been closely monitoring this situation since the beginning of the outbreak, and has come up with various measures that have definitely prohibited the further spread of COVID-19. And this is one of the important measures that have been taken by ICMR, that is the antigen test, which will again go a long way in controlling this pandemic. Yes, Richa.
In fact, Sumi, another question to you. There have been certain guidelines that have been set, and in a process which this antigen test will be done. It is not just, in a way, a gold standard for COVID testing and diagnosis in the country as well. At the same time, this augments the COVID-19 testing capacity as well, and comes as a huge relief for the anxiety that our healthcare workers currently face. If you can also take our viewers through that point.
Absolutely, there are several guidelines that have been issued by the ICMR, and it definitely reduces the anxiety that most of the health workers are going through. And in fact, they have been going through such anxiety for a long time, because they have been witnessing with such a scenario since the beginning of the outbreak. And all the healthcare workers, as we can see, the healthcare structure right now has been really doomed and has been flooded with COVID hospitals, has been flooded with COVID isolation beds, which is why ICMR's this particular test is a huge relief, as you correctly pointed out, Richa. And this will, as I mentioned earlier, this will go a long way in helping the healthcare infrastructure, in pushing this game, for India that we have been battling since the beginning. An antigen test is again one of the steps that have been taken by ICMR. Previously also, ICMR had taken a host of measures, and they have ramped up testing. And in fact, Delhi has been doing aggressive testing, and this is also one of the points that had been undertaken yesterday during the meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Health Minister Harsh Vardhan. And they have also come out with important measures such as ramping up of testing, and also increasing the COVID beds across the national capital, as it is one of the worst hit. So yes, this is definitely in line with ICMR's new revolutionary measure, one of the measures that have been undertaken by this monitoring body of the government. Yes.